everybody, hope everyone is doing absolutely fine. This is your boy Neeraj and welcome to my YouTube channel Ride with Neero. Boom. We have gotten our intro so much into my muscle memory that even if you wake me up in the middle of the night, I can tell you in one go. That's how memorized it is. So for people who have been following me since a while would be knowing how basic our setup is. We shoot all our videos using our smartphone. Doesn't matter if it is an indoor shoot like this or if it is a motovlogging setup. If you missed my previous vlog, then I would have explained how we shoot our motovlogs using our smartphones. You need to check this out. It is very simple and very easy. Sometime or the other it might be help to you, so do check it out. I'll put the link in the description or I'll place in the iCard. Please check it out. And if you're new to this channel, then please consider subscribing. We'll be making lot of videos related to bikes, our trips, our travels and lot more. We'll have lot of fun, that's for sure. As a content creator, everyone has to upgrade themselves at some point or the other. Doesn't matter if it is in terms of a skill set or in terms of an equipment. So I decided, why not this be the situation. I was very impressed with my video quality, but when it comes to audio setup, the internal mic used to capture a lot of external noises like these. So that's when I decided to invest on a pocket friendly external mic. There are a lot of varieties and brands which produces mics of different price ranges, but I had to pick one. So most of the people recommended me this. This is a Boya BY-M1 omnidirectional lavalier mic. We have almost 35,320 reviews, so I believe it must be a good product. And at the time when I'm checking the product, the price is 721 rupees. There's a pro version to it as well, and it is BY-M1 Pro. There is a price difference. This costs around 1,647. There is this additional gain control that we get along with this. My sole purpose was for motovlogging. That's the reason I took this lavalier mic. But if your purpose is just vlogging, then you can go with this cardioid version as well. This is pretty decent mic. You get this for around 1,950. If you want to purchase any of this, I'll put the link in the description. You can check it out. Now the rating is also good and the price is also affordable. So let's go and buy this. So let's unbox this. This is the box packaging of the Boya BY-M1 mic. There are brandings in the side and some specs and features in behind. Let's not look deep into this, but we'll unbox it and see what we get inside. Inside the box we get some stickers, manuals and warranty cards. Since this is a straightforward product, I don't think we would require this manual, so let's keep it aside. We get a pouch which has an Boya branding over it. The quality is pretty good. And then we get a small pouch with some accessories. Let's look what inside. This is the LR44 battery which can be connected to our mic. Next is a lapel clip. This can be used to clip on our t-shirts or shirts. This will be very handy. So we have this 1:8 adapters. And then we have this foam windscreen which will be covering our mic. And then last but not the least, we have our external mic. We have put on our lapel clips, our foam windscreen and the battery into our mic. So I think the setup would be complete. My first impression on this product is that for the price point, the quality is very good. I hope it lasts longer. It all depends on individual's usage, and I hope it really comes for a longer time. Coming to the length, it's almost around 20 feet. It's pretty long. I mean, it's even longer than the ropes that I use to tie my saddlebags. I don't think there will be any problem if you're shooting, placing your camera a bit longer. So it'll work pretty fine. It is compatible with your smartphone, your DSLR, your PCs, your camera recorders, your action cameras. So it does all the work. And you have this switch over here which says camera on one side and off a smartphone on the other side. So this can be very helpful. So the camera mode uses the battery, but the smartphone doesn't. So that's why it is given as off or smartphone. So I would like to discuss some tips and tricks of this product, Boya BY-M1. So first and foremost, there are a lot of fake products in the market. If you want to verify if your product is genuine or not, all you have to do is peel off this label over the top of the box. There will be a barcode. You have to scan the barcode. It will redirect you to their website. You need to enter the number which is displayed under this label. If you peel it off, you'll be able to find a number. You have to enter the number and you'll be able to verify if the product is genuine or not. If you feel the wire is too long and you're not able to manage it, they have given this Velcro. You can use this to manage the height, and using this we can shorten the length and it won't be too shabby lying around. So this Velcro can be of great help. So even if I am using this for my motovlogging setup, I am just gonna wrap it around and somehow gonna shorten this, because having this long wire is not gonna be easy to manage in my helmet. So this Velcro will be of great use. The third thing is that when you're placing the battery in, you will have a piece of cloth which will be attached to the adapter. Just make sure it is underneath, and then you place the battery over it, so that you will be able to pull this battery outside anytime you need it. Because once I placed it and when I wanted to take, I wasn't able to, because the space is too narrow and I wasn't able to take out the battery and it was a mess. So if you're a guy like me who gets annoyed for all these small stuffs, then this might be a tip for you. If you're connecting this to your smartphone, just make sure that you have a third-party camera installed, like a Gcam or something, because the inbuilt camera which comes along with your smartphone doesn't recognize the external mic. So it might be a vain to connect the mic to your smartphone and then start recording, and then you realize that it's not working. So just make sure that if you are recording in a smartphone, you have a third-party application like a Gcam. And if you're recording through your DSLR, just make sure your DSLR supports external mic. I have this Canon EOS 1500D and it doesn't support external mic. So that's the reason I'm not able to record it through my DSLR. It's a good camera, the picture quality is very good, but not suitable for vlogging. Just make sure your DSLR supports external mic. So till now, whatever we have captured, it's all through our smartphone's internal mic. We will connect this external mic and see the results. Now we have connected our external mic to our smartphone and I have placed it in the collar of my t-shirt. I hope it is audible. I am not sure of the audio quality. Most probably while editing I might know, but I guess it must be performing good. Let's check it out, fingers crossed. So let me know in the comment section below if you can feel any changes or not. That's how we can get to know. So that's it for today, guys. This was our first unboxing video and hope you guys liked it. Let me know your feedback in the comment section below. I'll be reading it out and it really motivates me. And if you're watching till here, then I'm very thankful and grateful for all the love and support that I've been receiving. Thanks a lot for that. It really means a lot. It is really a motivation for me to do lots and lots of videos, and we have reached 55 subscribers. I know it might sound silly for most of the guys, but come on, Life is too short. We should really appreciate every small efforts and small steps that we take and achieve. So it really means a lot to me. So thank you very much, guys. Thank you for making me a part of your day. See you in the next vlog.